So it's been a bit of an annoying market for XRP, as we can all agree. As you know, I think that the price action for XRP has been spurred on by the overall market rather than there being actually any problems for XRP. But give me a couple of minutes of your time and I'll get you guys fully up to date with what I'm seeing. And right now, XRP is still teetering in our wedge pattern formation. We did come lower than the support level, but we are trying to make our way back above it right now. We did head lower than previous local lows, and the reason why I think that is to simply grab the liquidity that sits below it. As you know, I believe that there is manipulation in this market, and those manipulators can see where people's stop losses, their liquidations, and their emotional capitulations sit. I mean, the assumption of an emotional capitulation, of course, but that's where stop losses and liquidations normally lie. As you know, on the bearish side, I think a retest of potentially $2.64, if that is lost, and down here about $2.35 is still on the cards. However, if we can break above 284, I'm hoping that we can break above the sloping resistance, go on to retest the recent highs of about $3.12, and then break new all-time highs. I still think that there is an alt season brewing right now. According to the alt season index, we are well on the way. We're still slowly growing here, and anything that happens right now, in my opinion, is a shakeout, because we see Bitcoin coming down, which is pushing the altcoins predominantly down, and this means that people are getting shaken out of the market. Bitcoin is down from the highs, right, to the low about 13%. This is a normal pullback in a bull market before the last peak that we saw in 2021, and we saw the same thing in 2017. History does not a guarantee that things are going to be the same, but it may be the same, right? It's looking very similar to me, so it's not shaking me out, and I still have my positions open, like the Dogecoin trade here, almost $20,000 of realized profit and $2,000 of unrealized. I have my stop loss in place. That's where I'm willing to go down to. I also have my XRP position still open here, guys. Now, the CEO of Canary Capital predicts billions will flow into XRP ETFs on launch. According to Steven, Wall Street views XRP is one of the most recognizable names in the digital asset space, second only apparently to Bitcoin. We also see the Ripple SEC lawsuit finally being concluded on August 7th, with both parties dropping the appeals, giving XRP a definitive legal clarity as not a security when sold on public exchanges. I know you guys already know this, but I just wanted to remind you this is important to note how things have changed. Also, Levi here posting, hit the like button if you didn't sell a single XRP. So smash that like button, guys, if you're still holding on for a potential rally to come. We also, to remind you, have a 90% chance of rate cuts, which could be very bullish for the market. However, there are people expecting even more of a sell-off to force retail to exit before the big players accumulate heavily. Okay, guys? So in the history of Bitcoin, we see big pullbacks August and September before the big highs, and that is normally where bigger players are accumulating before the blow off top. So don't get shaken out if you believe that there could be more upside. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but what I'm seeing right now is a normal pullback in an otherwise bull market. Let me know what you think down there in the comment section, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.